Guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper of yeah Friday. It's still Friday, April the 12th, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku. So two regular puzzles remain: the Killer Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. And I want to mention also in today's newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've heard there will be a possible Iranian attack. So the war is escalated in Israel. So yeah, of course, if you in Gaza, you bomb all the houses of the civilians. Well, this is the result. Anyway, 4 stars Sudoku number 8349. And before start, I always count the printed digits. Wow, this one has 25 printed digits. 25. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. This one has 25. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. I see here 4 missing numbers in this second column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with the 4 in the second column should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Alright. And now, let me see. 8, 8. Which number can I pick? How about? The 2 in the first row, the 2 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And we have a pair now. The 2 and the 6 in this column, the 2 and the 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. And now we need a 4, 4 in the last row. 4 in a row in that row. So in the row between, the only place left for 4, should be there. Alright. So now we have 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers in this row is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 3 in this row should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, let me see. How about 8, 5, 6. Need a 4 here. And I need well. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 there. So you need a 2 here. Okay. Well, need a 4 there. Need an 8 here. Interesting. Need a 1 there. Two, need a 6, need a 7. I need a 7 there. I need a 7 here. Well. Need a 5 here. Need a 6. Need a 3 here. 3, 1, and 9 is missing here. Oh. Interesting. I need a 9 here. Question: am I stuck here? 8. 3. Well. This one I need to think. 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in the last column. No 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in the middle row. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 1. Well. 3, 2, 7. 7. 8. Need a 4 here. 4. 4. No, I need a 4 there. Ay. Come on. This is taking too long. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 2 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. No, need 2 places left. The 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. Only 2 places left for the 8. Goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We have 7 this last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square. The numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. A lot of pairs. How about the number? Need a 6 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. We have 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the 6, we have a 2 now in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Three missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have 5 and the 6 in the middle row. No 5 and the 6 in this box. 5 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8, okay. 2 numbers left in this middle row for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Need a 7 here. Okay, need a 1 there. 1, 7, need a 3 there. And I need a 9 here, yeah. We have a pair, the 7 and the 9 in this row, the 7 and 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left, 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 in the first row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. The 4 here. Okay. 4, 4, 4, 2, no. 9, 5, and then need a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. The 6 in this row, third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Now, let me see. 7, 2, 8. And what the 8? 8 in this column. 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 3 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left, 8 should be there. Then, let me see. Which number? 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. 4 number, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Alright. Then, 3 and a 9. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column 3, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Then, let me see, 1 number left in this column. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. 1 box left in this column. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, yeah. 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 to 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 9 and a 5. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Finishing 15 minutes. Well, 50 minutes. 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle this afternoon. So until then, bye bye for now.